man of the streets. Come party with the gang. Babes and nothing if you drink it, yeah, with a man. So you feel my brand. The only thing well if you do know I'm a woman. Girl, all in my meds and I'm a thoughts.
That's another line again. Anyway, catch the plane door. Or got to my gate rather. Plane gone. Miss my flight. Miss my damn flight. So anyway, had to come back to customer service.
Fresh from the work. We damn girl, me can't do without. Yeah, me fresh from the work. You know what me I like I.
It's nice in here. Alright, let me see what I need. So hey guys, enjoying my final hours in Jamaica. Having a bit to eat before I head to the airport. So lunch is over. Just leaving East Japanese restaurant by the marketplace on Constantine Road. So now I'm heading to the airport. My belly full. The food tastes really good. No complaint. But I'm going down on Halfway Tree Road. I hope I have no traffic. It's now 2 o'clock. My flight is at 4:35. So hopefully I get there within half an hour. Check in. And ready to board this flight back home. There's always traffic on Halfway Tree Road, like always. Always traffic. Just like how in like Manhattan, the city, it's always hustle and bustle. It's the same thing in Kingston. Halfway Tree, Constant Spring Road, it's always traffic. I'm not telling no lie, gentle people. I just had a Manhattan cocktail. I mean, I tell you, my item a lock. Me feel dreamy. I feel like I would turn back home. Back in the days, Sassy Beauty Salon was the shit. I used to go there. Them place they used to run off a tree, yeah? log camp. I can't remember the name of this adult correctional facility. Oh my god, I can't remember. But I think I over here survived Cartel Day. But I can't remember what name. I can't remember. I really cannot. Sorry guys, I can't remember. For all of those who love cricket, Sabina Park. Yep, I got it.
Taking the following departing January 764 Fort Lauderdale customers: Peter Vaughn Christie, Corey Clark, Kirk James, Arlene Angela Johnson, Frederick Kettle, Shelly Rary.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have closed the main boarding door. Prior to aircraft movement, we need to make sure all customers are totally seated with the seatbelt fastened.
Hey guys, so I boarded the flights. I got pulled over for a second time at security checkpoint. I guess it was just routine really. I'm not gonna be vlogging throughout the flight. I think I'm gonna get some rest. It's not gonna be long because I go to Fort Lauderdale and then I connect in Fort Lauderdale for BWI, yeah? So that's basically it. I'll check in back with you guys when I get to Fort Lauderdale and I'm on my last leg to Baltimore. So I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, I have to vlog this. I don't even know where to begin. I am tired. I'm so exhausted. Like, it's ridiculous. Yeah.